everyone, welcome back to my channel Soul Zeal. Tanpit Kaur this side. Today we'll be doing a reading for the month of June. What is coming to you for the month of June, how things will be in your career and your relationships. And then we'll be talking about affirmations which you can say for that month. So you can make your choice, take a deep breath and make your choice. This is pile number 1, this is pile number 2, this is pile number 3. Make your choice and I'll see you there. For the people who've chosen pile number 1, what we have for you today is the month of June for you would be filled with traditions. Some rituals are coming to you, maybe some guidance is coming to you, spiritual guidance if you are seeking some religious guidance. So someone, you might be into some kind of study, you might be studying something, then it could mean maybe some exams which are coming in, or maybe some classes which are starting for you, maybe some online course you might be doing. It could also mean going for a traditional ceremony, so you might be going for some kind of a traditional ceremony that you would be doing. It could also mean going to a counselor, so if you have been facing a problem, you might be meeting a counselor for some kind of knowledge, some kind of wisdom that is coming to you. So this is a lot of learning that is happening. Or it could also mean that you might be teaching someone, you might be giving your knowledge, your wisdom to someone, so that is also there. So either of these could be the thing, and I feel it is more like conforming to the set rules. So if you are working, so there could be a rule of working from home only, so that could also be one thing. So conforming to the rules of the government could also be there. So maybe government will levy some rules for the month of June and you have to go by those rules. Maybe like if you have to quarantine or something like that, then yes, you will have to go by that rule. Okay. And what I see for your career here is a lot of expansion is happening in your career. Some kind of new projects, new energies are coming in your work area. I feel a lot of enthusiasm, new job, something out of the box is going to happen in your career. Something you haven't expected might happen, and you might see your thinking expand. Okay, it could just, you haven't gone to that path with your creativity and you are discovering new paths of creativity. If you are running a business, I feel that this is an excellent card because you might be starting something which could be advantageous in a longer run. But yes, this is just a starting, so do not just sit, okay, seeing the card. You have to put in a lot of action, a lot of work into this. This is just the starting. So yes, it's a good news for work. There's a lot of enthusiasm, there's a lot of new energies, but you have to work for it. You have to pave your own path. So that is important for you now. And what I see for you in a relationship right now is you and your partner might be currently into some kind of relationship issues in the month of June. I feel it is like you might be suffering in a relationship, might be your partner is not very good with you or something like that. It could also be that there could be problems, some kind of a breakup could be also there. And I also feel that there could be some kind of health issues. Maybe both of you are facing some health issues or one of you is facing some health issues. And also I feel it could be more about some kind of external factors impacting your relationship. So I feel you should work on these in the month of June. This is the right time to release because all the other things are going good for you. So I feel maybe working on your relationship it's a good time to do that. And the affirmation for you for the month of June. Okay, so this is your affirmation. Great ideas come to me all the time. I find the perfect word when speaking or writing. People listen to me. The written words come to me through me with ease. I have the ability to be a heavenly scribe. Okay, so you can save this affirmation and you can say this for the month of June for yourself. This will help you. What this means is because you are starting something new, so great ideas are coming to you and they are perfect words when speaking or writing. So yes, you might be involved into some kind of work which involves writing, or maybe someone who has to speak, maybe a salesperson. So these kind of things could be there, and this is a new energy. Okay, so this is saying, okay, welcome this new energy and welcome the new ideas. I welcome those new ideas which are coming to me. Okay, so you can use this affirmation for this month of June and tell me how it goes for you. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. For the people who've chosen pile number 2, this is the reading for you for the month of June. Okay, what we see for you in the month of June is a new beginning, something new. You're going to start a new journey, a new phase in your life. So I feel just follow your heart and move with it. Do not let your mind create judgments. So I feel it is more about just following your heart and going with the flow. So go with the flow and do not let your mind distract you. This can also mean that there could be some kind of indiscipline in your life. You might not be following some set parameters and just having fun. So maybe sometimes you have to work a little on the discipline, so it could also mean working on those disciplines. But yes, overall the month will be a very relaxed month for you. I feel a lot of stress is going out from your mind. It feels very relaxing, some kind of a new journey. Sometimes you do not want to take decisions, so this month you are not taking any decisions, and you are not indulging into any kind of deep thoughts in this month. It feels like a very relaxed month for you. What I see for your career is something big is happening in your career, or maybe you are doing a project which will give you a lot of money, a lot of financial gains are coming to you, or something you have started which is or you have been doing from past which will be having a great potential at this point of time. Financially it is a very rewarding month for you, I will say. And you have so much that you should share with more people. I feel you might be sharing with some people who are unfortunate. So yes, please go ahead and share with people, because this is a good month for you financially. And I feel maybe you are in a job or a career which is very secure, so you do not have to think twice, and your money flow is good. So the money flow in your job is good for your family. It will be reaping good rewards for you. This could also mean that financially this is a good month for you. You have a very secure job, and business which is a family business could also be a thing. So both these things, either ways, your work wise scenario for this month is very good. I feel it is financially rewarding. It is career wise also very creative, very grounded. You are settled wherever you are in your career right now, as in a job, as in a business. Either ways, it is a very good card for this month. And when we talk about love, okay, so I feel it is about, if you are single, then be ready to mingle, because I think someone is coming to you this month. And if you are already in a committed relationship, I feel you moving up in your relationship, maybe having more stronger bond in your relationship, things getting more serious in your relationship. And yes, maybe something positive happening in your relationship. It could also mean if you have been expecting a pregnancy, yes, it is a good card for pregnancy. So if you have been thinking about getting pregnant, yes, it is a good time for you. For others who are single or in a relationship, this could also mean moving ahead in your relationship, moving into a more serious, taking some serious steps in your relationship could also be a thing. So that is what we have for you. And then we have this affirmation for you for the month of June. You can say this affirmation, you can keep it, you can save it for yourself for the month of June and say it every day for the month of June. This will give you some kind of good vibes which you need for the month of June. Okay, I am an instrument of peace and love. I honor the presence of the divine Mother. I invoke guidance for everyone, including myself, to embrace peace. I open my ears to hear guidance from the divine feminine. My heart is open to divine love. Okay, so yes, open your heart for love. For those all those people who are single, yes, open your heart for love. And peace and love is coming to you. Yes, a relaxed month for you. So peace and love is anyways coming to you. So you are an instrument of peace and love. Embrace this quality in you, and I feel just keep using this affirmation every day. Say it every day in the morning and bless this affirmation. I think everything will be good for you. So thank you for watching this video, and like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. For the people chosen pile number 3, this is the reading for you for the month of June. So for the month of June, you might be feeling a little insecure. You might be feeling you want to be isolated. You do not want to interact with people. Could also be a thing. It could also be you're not being open. You're not being open to things which are coming to you. Or you are not feeling secure. Okay, be open to things. If you are feeling that you are not secure in whatever environment you are or whatever situations you are, I feel you have to release this fear of control. Okay, so I feel you have to be more open in your life in the month of June. You have already created something for yourself. It is like maybe you have started in the past something new and you have created something, but in this month you are scared. You're scared of what if you lose it. Okay, so leave that fear of holding on to things. You have to let go. I feel this month it will be a major thing to let go and be open to all the possibilities that are coming to you, open to let your creativity flow. Okay, so I feel though it is very grounded and very established energy, I feel still you have to be open to other possibilities that are coming to you. As per your work, I feel you might get into some kind of legal issues. So check all your legalities, all your legal matters. Maybe if you have some taxes that you have to pay, or you have some kind of legal papers that you have to sign. Okay, so I feel just keep a check on all the legal things in your work area. If you are running a business, I feel this could be a growth for your company. Your company would be growing by next month. I feel your company might be growing by next month. And I feel if you are looking for a job, I see you signing those documents. Yes, you are signing those documents. You are getting that job. And what I see also is balance is needed. Balance in your work and your personal life. So if you are not giving enough time to your personal life, or if you are not giving enough time to your work, there is a balance. You need to balance both the things. You have to give equal time to both. You have to make them both equally important in your life. If you are feeling that you're not worth something, I'll ask you to take a check. Okay, you are worth more. You're worth much more. Do not undervalue yourself. Okay, I feel you are worth a lot of things, but you are undervaluing yourself. So stop evaluating yourself. You should have confidence in yourself. And for your love life, what I feel is there's a solid foundation in your relationship. I feel there is so much clear communication in your relationship. There's an understanding which is like a unspoken understanding, I'll say. Something when you don't have to say someone anything and the person understands. So this kind of understanding is there in your relationship. And I feel that you value each other's opinion. So your partner values your opinion a lot, I feel, and he is ready to do things for you. This is a genuine relationship, I feel, a very strong and a genuine relationship, and that your partner gives you a strong position in his life. He feels you are extremely important for him. So I feel this relationship is going really good for you. There's a strong foundation, good understanding, opinions matter, everything. So this is a very genuine partnership I see here. So if you're single, I feel you might be meeting someone who is very opinionated, who is very judgmental, who is very right all the time. Okay, so this person is very strong headed. So yes, but this person is also very trustworthy and very giving also. So if you are looking for someone, this is someone coming to you. And I feel if this could also represent you as a independent person who doesn't need anyone in their life. And I feel that is what I have for you today. Now we'll take you to the affirmation that I have for you. I flow easily with the change that life presents me. I have the courage to follow my inner calling with determination. Change always brings about better life understanding. I have free will to alter the course of my life based on divine guidance. So, yes, you are flowing with the changes the life presents you, so that you can come out of this energy. Let yourself change. Come out. Okay? And you have the courage to come out of this. So, I feel you can use this affirmation, you can say it every day for the month of June, so that you can bring about change in your life. You can bring about that openness in your life that you need to seek. Okay, so you can use this affirmation you can save it on your phone or as well as a picture and read it every day, or you can use it as a wallpaper so that it's always in front of you. I feel it's more about knowing what you want in your life. It is about manifesting what you want in your life. I think this is what I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel, and in the comments below you can leave me a question. I might take it up next time. Thank you so much.